One of the great elements in the life of this community down through the last number of years has been the inter-church and inter-community dimension to all that we do. So Comhcheol, that was held in the city here in 2013, involved people from across the community, and similarly in the Comhcheol 2020 in the city here, we're looking forward again to having the Reverend David Latimer bringing a number of people from his community and congregations to contribute the richness of their musical tradition to all that we do here in the city. And what will be happening in this Comhcheol, this harmony, is not just something that's being set up almost as a staged event just for the public. This is something that's continuing to go and to grow down through the years, representing the wealth of community activity that we have here, holding people together, celebrating who we are, proud of our traditions, happy to share them, and creating hope for our young people. The whole Shantalo and Ballinagalia community has worked together very, very deeply and very committedly in order to ensure that our young people can look forward to the future rather than be afraid of it. This is a wonderful event. Join us. We look forward to seeing you there and singing along with you.
My name's David Latimer, and for 32 years I have been minister of this lovely church located on the city's historic walls. It's called First Derry Presbyterian Church. I suppose a church service needs a minister talking, but I consider music to be more important than what's said from the pulpit. And every Sunday that I've conducted worship, the music of David McGuckin, my goodness, it prepares the way for me talking and makes it easy. And so I'm going to invite him now to share with you the skill that he has both on the organ and at the piano. So his choice of music, and indeed his choice of instrument, to lift your spirits and to make you smile and keep you happy. Enjoy it.
From glen to glen and down the Right, next up, we're going to have a young lady who's a member of CC Balnagallia and a fine young singer, and I'm sure you'll all agree. The song she's going to sing for us this evening is called Craigie Hill, and the version that she sings is from the well-known anthem singer, John Kennedy.
I'm going to sing a song called Craigie Hills, which I learned from the singing of John Kennedy. It being in the springtime, and the small birds were singing down my unshady harbour, I carelessly did stray, as the thrushes they were warbling, and the violets they were charming, to view fond lovers talking, while I did delay. She said, my dear, don't leave me for another season, though fortune does be pleasing, I'll go along with you. I'll forsake friends and relations, and bid this Irish nation, and to the bonny banks for I'll bid adieu. He said, my dear, don't grieve for her, yet knipe my patience. You know I love you dearly, the more I'm going away. I am going to foreign nations to purchase a plantation, to comfort us hereafter, all in America. Then after a short while, fortune must be pleasing, it caused them for to smile at their late going away. They'll be happy as Queen Victoria, all in her greatest glory. They'll be drinking wine and porter, all in America. Then fare ye well, sweet Craigie Hills, where oftentimes I've wandered. I never thought my childhood days I'd part with you any more. Now we're sailing on the oceans for honour and promotion, and to the bonny banks for I'll bid adieu.
Next up, we're going to have a number from great friends of the branch, and it's a Comhcheol Ladies Choir, and they're going to do a number here, and their musical director is Sheila Carlin. Next up, we're going to have a tune from some of the members of CCE Ballinagalla, and it's a lovely slow piece called Inisheer, and it's just some of our local members just playing something nice and relaxing so we can all sit and chill and listen to the lovely music here.
Cían dá.
Next up, we're going to have a local piper, Brian Stafford. Brian's style of playing nail and pipes will be very much of the old tradition, and we're really going to enjoy this. I'm sure you're in for a real treat.
This has been what we expected it to be, a superb evening of music, sharing the traditions that are indigenous to both Presbyterians and Unionists and our neighbours across at the Greater Shantallow area from the Catholic and Nationalist community. What a pity COVID is in the air, but it has not stopped us coming together to share with you this cultural evening, and we look forward to the next time, please God, when we'll be able to physically meet and be together to keep on sharing through music. So in the meantime, stay safe and abide by all those protocols. Thank you.